Let's face it, there's a bit of a cultish vibe around the culture of fountain pens and everything surrounding them. But after you've tried this particular fountain pen from Pilot, you'll likely be left chanting, "One of us, one of us, one of us." Alright, so aside from being indoctrinated into the all-hail fountain pens cult, what does this beginner-friendly fountain pen have to offer? And is its low price point a reason to avoid it? Let's find out. The Kakuno comes in simple, minimal packaging. And right away you can tell Pilot designed this pen with accessibility in mind. The pen itself has a clean, almost toy-like aesthetic, with bright color options. I'm reviewing the white barrel version, but you can find it in various fun colors like pink, blue, green, and yellow, as well as a clear barrel version. What caught my eye right away is the smiling face on the pen nib. Yeah, you heard that right. There's literally a smiley face looking back at you while you write. It's charming and perfectly captures the approachable, friendly nature of this pen. The Kakuno is clearly designed to make fountain pen writing less intimidating for beginners. The Kakuno is made entirely of plastic, which keeps the costs down, and the weight incredibly small. The pen measures about 5 inches capped and about 4.9 inches uncapped, making it on the shorter side. When posted, that means that the pen's cap is placed on the back of the barrel, while the pen is in use. It extends to about 6.1 inches, which I think is more comfortable for longer writing sessions, especially for me. Now let's talk about one of the Kakuno's standout features, the hexagonal grip. This might seem like a small detail, but it's great for beginners. The flat sides naturally guide your fingers to the correct grip position, teaching proper fountain pen technique, without even having to think about it. Plus, the pen won't roll off your desk thanks to this design. The cap snaps on securely, with a satisfying click, and posts deeply on the back of the barrel. The Kakuno uses Pilot's standard steel nibs, which are available in extra fine, fine, and medium sizes. I'm testing the fine nib, and I have to say the writing experience is quite good considering this pen's low price point. The nib is smooth with just a hint of feedback, but it's not scratchy at all. Just enough texture to give you nice control. It's responsive and writes consistently right out of the box with no hard starts or skipping. The flow is also well balanced. It's not too wet or too dry, making it perfect for everyday writing on various types of paper. One thing to note, however, is that Japanese nibs typically run finer than their Western counterparts. So the fine nib here writes more like a Western extra fine. If you prefer broader lines, definitely go for the medium. The smiling face on the nib isn't just cute. It also features a triangle indicator that shows you the correct nib orientation. Again, thoughtful design for beginners. Let's have a look at how this pen writes. The Kakuno is a cartridge converter pen. It comes with one black ink cartridge in the box, and you'll need to purchase a converter separately if you want to use bottled ink. Pilot's Con 40 converter works perfectly with this pen, though its capacity is somewhat limited. Here's how the cartridge snaps in place. Let's look at the pros and cons. First, the pros. You get exceptional value for the price. It has smooth, reliable nib performance. This pen is very ergonomic, and the hexagonal grip is great for beginners. It's lightweight and comfortable for extended writing. It has a fun and approachable design that removes fountain pen intimidation and compatible with Pilot's excellent ink cartridges. As for the cons, the all-plastic construction does feel a little bit cheap. The short length might be uncomfortable for larger hands when used unposted. There's no converter included in the box, and there's also no clip, something that I always like on my pens. So, who is this pen for? Definitely beginners. So if you're just starting out in the fountain pen world, the Kakuno is a great place to start. It's affordable, easy to use, teaches proper fountain pen technique, and requires minimal maintenance. And while the writing quality is more than good enough for a beginner, some intermediate and advanced fountain pen users might not like the way this writes. But here's the thing. This isn't just a beginner pen. Experienced fountain pen users often keep a Kakuno in their rotation as a backup and because it's reliable, lightweight, and writes quite well. It's fantastic for students, artists doing line work, or anyone who wants a no-fuss daily writer. That's a fountain pen. The Pilot Kakuno is hands down one of the best value propositions in the fountain pen world. Of that, I'm certain. For around $12 to $15, you're getting a pen that writes like something twice or 3 times its price. The thoughtful design elements make it perfect for beginners without being condescending, and the performance is solid enough that even experienced buyers will get some joy out of this one. Is it going to be your forever fountain pen? Probably not. But as an entry point into fountain pens or as a reliable daily writer that you won't worry about losing or damaging, the Kakuno is tough to beat. Alright, that's it for this review. Have you tried the Pilot Kakuno? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to pick one up, I've left a link below in the description. And if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pen reviews and stationery content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.